And the next challenge at the API challenges.herokuapp.com is the get to-dos with a 406. Now, 406 is a not acceptable status code. So I'm going to send a get request to to-dos, but I'm going to say I will only accept application / gzip. So I will only accept a gzipped format response. And if I send that request through to the server now, it says, I don't know how to do gzip. I can't do that. So I'm giving you a 406, which means it's not an acceptable accept header type. And because I passed through the X challenger header, that challenge in the application should now be passed. What this is demonstrating is that we can send through multiple accept headers. Now, sometimes the applications will ignore what we've sent through. Very often that's a bug, because it might mean that there's vulnerabilities in there, it's not checking it properly, there might be ways of bypassing the validation. So when you're testing applications, make sure to try and put in accept headers that are not acceptable and see if you get a 406. If you want to work through the challenges yourself, you can find all the information you need at eviltester.com/API challenges. Make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel so that you're kept up to date with any of the videos we release showing API challenges or APIs in general or testing in general. We have a lot of content here. Subscribe to the channel and hopefully I'll see you in the next video.